This homemade butter conditioner promises to transform your hair into soft, shiny, straight, and silky smooth strands, eliminating the need for chemical conditioners. To make it, you'll need a big, deep pot for proper preparation. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pot. Follow this with 4 to 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of finely ground rice powder. Mix these ingredients thoroughly to create a smooth texture. Once mixed, apply the conditioner to the ends of your hair before showering, leaving it on for at least 15 minutes. You can also apply it to the roots if desired. Afterward, shampoo as usual. Homemade shampoo is recommended for best results. This DIY conditioner can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's designed to promote natural and organic hair care, enhancing the health and appearance of your hair without harsh chemicals. Share this recipe with friends and family to encourage a switch to natural hair care alternatives.